It was a bright morning in Springville, and the sun was just beginning to shine through the windows of the local library. Emma, a young woman eager to improve her English, walked in with a hopeful smile. She carried a notebook and a pen, ready to absorb everything she could. Today was her first day at the library's English Conversation Club, and she was both excited and a little nervous. As Emma entered the meeting room, she saw a group of people of different ages and backgrounds gathered around a large table. At the head of the table was Mr. Thompson, the club's friendly organizer. He was an older man with kind eyes and a gentle voice, known for his patience and encouragement. "Good morning, everyone," Mr. Thompson greeted, his voice warm and welcoming. "Let's begin by introducing ourselves. Please tell us your name and something you enjoy doing." Emma's heart raced as her turn approached. She listened carefully as the others spoke. "My name is Maria," said a woman with curly hair. "I enjoy cooking and trying new recipes." A man with glasses smiled and said, "I'm Ahmed. I like reading books, especially mysteries." When it was Emma's turn, she took a deep breath and spoke slowly. "Hello, my name is Emma. I enjoy drawing and walking in the park." Mr. Thompson nodded encouragingly. "Thank you, Emma. That's wonderful. Drawing and walking are both relaxing activities." After the introductions, Mr. Thompson explained the day's activity. "Today, we'll practice having a conversation about daily routines. I will ask a question, and each of you can answer. Don't worry about making mistakes. We are here to learn together." He looked around the table. "First question, what do you usually do in the morning?" Maria was the first to reply. "In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I make breakfast for my children and help them get ready for school." Ahmed followed. "I usually wake up at 6. I go for a walk. Then I read the newspaper while I drink my coffee." Mr. Thompson smiled and turned to Emma. "And what about you, Emma?" Emma thought for a moment before answering. "In the morning, I wake up at 6:30. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I eat breakfast and go to work." "Very good, Emma," said Mr. Thompson. "You used clear sentences. Now, let's practice asking each other questions. Emma, can you ask Maria a question about her morning?" Emma hesitated, searching for the right words. Then she said, "Maria, what do you eat for breakfast?" Maria grinned. "Good question. Usually I eat bread with cheese and drink tea. Sometimes I have eggs or fruit." Mr. Thompson nodded. "Excellent. Ahmed, can you ask Emma a question?" Ahmed looked at Emma and asked, "Emma, how do you go to work?" Emma replied, "I go to work by bus. The bus stop is near my house, so it is easy for me." The group continued practicing, taking turns asking and answering questions. Laughter filled the room as they helped each other find the right words and shared stories about their mornings. The atmosphere was relaxed and supportive. After a while, Mr. Thompson suggested a new topic. "Let's talk about hobbies. Maria, can you ask Ahmed about his hobbies?" Account. Maria turned to Ahmed. "Ahmed, what do you like to do in your free time?" Ahmed replied enthusiastically, "I like to play chess and read mystery books. Sometimes I go fishing with my friends." Mr. Thompson encouraged them to continue. "Emma, can you ask Maria about her hobbies?" Emma smiled and asked, "Maria, do you like to watch movies?" Maria nodded. "Yes, I love watching movies, especially comedies. They make me laugh and feel happy." As the session continued, the group discussed their favorite foods, places to visit in Springville, and even their dreams for the future. Each time someone struggled to find the right word, others offered gentle help and encouragement. At one point, Emma asked Mr. Thompson, "How can I practice English at home?" Mr. Thompson replied, "That's a great question, Emma. You can read simple books, listen to English songs, watch movies with subtitles, and try to speak with friends in English. The most important thing is to practice a little every day." Emma nodded thoughtfully. "Thank you, I will try." As the hour came to an end, Mr. Thompson gathered everyone's attention. "Before we finish, let's practice a short dialogue. I'll start, and each of you can take a turn." He began, "Good afternoon. How are you today?" Maria replied, "I'm fine, thank you. And you?" "Mr. Thompson answered, "I'm doing well. What are your plans for the weekend? Us? Easy. Ahmed responded. I will visit my family and cook a big dinner. Emma joined in. I want to go to the park and draw some pictures. The group practiced the dialogue several times, growing more confident with each round. When it was time to leave, everyone thanked Mr. Thompson for his help and encouragement. Emma felt proud of herself as she walked out of the library. She had spoken in English, learned new words, and made new friends. She knew she still had much to learn, but she was excited for the journey ahead. That afternoon, she sat in the park with her notebook, reviewing the phrases she had learned. She smiled as she remembered the laughter and support of the conversation club. It was clear to her that learning a language was not just about memorizing words, but about connecting with others, sharing stories, and growing together. Emma promised herself that she would come back next week, ready to speak, listen, and learn even more. And as she watched the sun set over Springville, she felt a quiet confidence growing inside her. A belief that, with practice and patience, she could achieve her dream of speaking English fluently.